Why on earth do you want to upload a YouTube Shorts video from your PC when it's easier to upload it from your phone using the YouTube app? Here are a few reasons. Perhaps you don't own a phone, but you have a camera and computer. The videos you film on your phone are low quality compared to the videos you film on your camera. You can make a high impact video using your camera and video editing software. You want to edit and save the video on your computer. Let me ask you a question. Are you currently creating YouTube Shorts for your channel? Post your answer in the comments below. I'd love to read them, and I'm sure others would too. Step 1, film your video. If you're filming with your phone, make sure it's in the vertical position. If you're filming with a camera, like I often do with my GoPro when I'm outside, make sure it's also in the vertical position. If you don't do that and film in a horizontal position, then you won't be able to create a Shorts video. Step 2, import your Shorts video in your video editing software. Just make sure that you have a vertical document of 1920 pixels by 1080 pixels. After you've edited the video, save the video to your computer so it's ready to upload to YouTube. Hey, if you're enjoying the content so far, hit the subscribe button and click the bell notification icon so you'll be notified about new content like this every week. Step 3, upload and optimize your Shorts video. Here are a couple of optimization tips. Include your main keyword phrase at the beginning of your title. Your title is one of the main ranking factors for YouTube Shorts videos. You also want to add the hashtag Shorts in the title or description. The rest of your description and tags are not really ranking factors for YouTube Shorts videos. If you didn't create the video using the Shorts app, then you can make the video up to 60 seconds long. If you use the Shorts feature on the YouTube app, then you can only make it 15 seconds long. Log to YouTube channel, click the Create link at the top, click Upload Videos, click Select Files or drag and drop a file to upload. So I'm going to drag this file, How to Increase Watch Time on YouTube in 30 seconds. Now it's uploading. Okay, I've got my title in there ready because that's what I named the file. Add a short description. Make sure you include the hashtag Shorts in the description or the title. Here's the thumbnail frame that YouTube chooses from your video to add to the short shelf. You can upload a custom thumbnail, but it's not necessary unless you want to integrate the thumbnail with your regular video thumbnails. Under Audience, select No, it's not made for kids. No age restriction. Click Next. I'm not going to add an end screen or a card. Click Next. Under Visibility, you can choose Private, Unlisted, or Public. For the sake of its demonstration, I'm going to choose Unlisted, but if you want to make it public, choose Public, or you can schedule it. Click Save. After you've finished optimizing your YouTube Shorts video, publish it. Step 4, publish and promote your YouTube Shorts video. Promote your Shorts video by sharing it on your social media sites. Now you can share it on your social media sites like Facebook, Twitter, Blogger, Tumblr, LinkedIn, etc. Or you can just grab the link. Click Close. Click Content to view your video. Here it is. You can see it has the black bars next to the video. Let's take a look at how the YouTube Shorts video appears on your mobile phone. Here's a tip to increase watch time on YouTube so you can get more views on your videos. You can also add a section to YouTube channel homepage so it shows up on the Shorts shelf on the mobile app. Simply go to Customization in your dashboard and click Add Section. Select Short Videos. It says this section is only visible in the YouTube app. Therefore, I highly recommend adding a Shorts section to YouTube channel homepage from your computer so your Shorts videos will appear on the Shorts shelf. So where do Shorts videos appear? As you can see from these real-time statistics, my YouTube Shorts video appears in suggested videos, YouTube search, on the Shorts shelf on the YouTube app, and also in external traffic sources like Google search. Wow, that means my Shorts videos can be discovered just like regular videos. Absolutely, and they can also appear in the subscriptions feed on the mobile app. Are there any best practices for YouTube Shorts? Absolutely. Start the first 2 seconds strong by using motion. Secondly, structure your video correctly by using a beginning, middle, and strong ending. You can even add a surprise somewhere in the middle. Lastly, make sure the YouTube Shorts video is accessible by creating it in a vertical format and adding the hashtag Shorts in the title and description. Hey Herman, how do I make a Shorts video on my iPhone or Android device? No worries, just watch the video on the screen right now on how to make a Shorts video on mobile using an iPhone or Android device.